Morning, kiddos. I just wanted to show you and parents a way for you guys to respond next week to your research. So next week we're going to do Shark Week, and I have put together a collection of books in our Get Epic library, which I believe most of you guys enrolled for. Or you can just listen to the read alouds that are on my lessons. And then what you're going to do is, instead of writing in a journal this week, you're going to actually record yourself, like a little video of something that you learned about sharks, okay? And what's really cool is you guys can add to each other's, and you're going to get to see each other's work, which I think will be awesome. So just a little tutorial on how to get there. When you are in Google Classroom, you're going to click on the classwork tab up at the top. Then go ahead, and if you scroll up here, you'll see that there's a flipgrid link to Shark Week, and you're going to open that up and click on that link. When you are there, you're going to see a screen that looks like this, and I have enrolled all of you guys, and your username is actually just your first name, but just make sure you put an uppercase letter at the beginning. So I'm going to type in my name here. When I do that, you'll be taken to our Flipgrid for Shark Week research. So you'll see here's kind of the start of it, and if you scroll down, here is our topic for this week, Shark Week, okay? And our question is, what did you learn about sharks this week? Okay, if you click on this plus button, what'll happen is it's going to take you to a screen where you can make your own video, and then you can edit it, you can do all kinds of things with your video, and once you do that, let me see if it'll work for me. I'm not sure if it will, but I'm gonna try. Oh, there I am with my messy hair. Good morning. All right, so then once you do that, you'll be taken in there, and you can go ahead and you can set up a video for you to record, okay?